Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Tesira NPX series paging station and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons basically. The first one is troubleshooting. If this paging station is not working, if it seems to be not responding, if you're having sound issues, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up someplace new and you just want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. You're going to need a paper clip or something like that to press the reset button. Now we're going to need to find the reset button, which is on the bottom of the device, and it's actually, so you have these 4 feet. So if we flip it over like this, the bottom left one right here, we'll have to peel off the little rubber cushioning of the foot, and the reset button is actually inside there. So once you get that off there, you should be able to see the towards the upper right corner of that hole. There you should see the hole, and you're just going to get your paper clip and you need to press and hold that reset button for at least 10 seconds and then release it, and then just give it a few seconds. That should initiate the reset process, and it'll reset the IP address, any page code assignments, anything like that, any security applied to the device, all that will be wiped off to its factory default out of the box settings.